Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokémon Bellossom, who is a super cute little grass type Pokémon. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw. And maybe leave a like, that would be awesome. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe and join us for all of our doodling, drawing, everyday, daily fun. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with one of Bellossom's flowers. She's got like 2 flowers on top of her head. So here's one flower petal. And come on up and do another one. And we can do a little curve here on the inside and a circle. It's the inside of the flower. And let's do another flower petal and bring it in towards that circle. And then another one. And one more. And if at any point I seem like I'm going too quickly, you can certainly stop the video and go back and catch up and all that good stuff. All right, so we're doing another flower now. Come on down. And you're going to do that inside circle like that. And we've got 3 more flower petals to do. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so now let's do her eyes. So I'll put one right here and one right here. Just 2 little circles. And we can put a circle in those circles and color everything else in all black. And give her a cute little smile. And she's got like little ovals on her cheeks for like little blushy cheeks. And we can do a little open mouth and a little line here for a little tongue. And do a little curve here. She's got a rounded face. And we're going to do a little hand like that. And another hand going this way. Now let's do the leaves for her skirt. So there's one leaf. And let's do another one here. We can have one here in behind those 2. And we can put another one right here. And put one in behind. And one in behind those ones. And right here. And put another one right here. And another little one poking out there. All right, so we've got our drawing done, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!